Did you know that 40% of contractors are overpaying for their insurance by thousands of dollars each year? I'm about to show you exactly how to get the coverage you need while keeping more money in your pocket. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what insurance you need, what you don't, and how to save big on your premiums. Whether you're a general contractor, subcontractor, or just starting your construction business, this video will break down everything you need to know about protecting your business the smart way. Let's start with the foundation of contractor insurance, and that is general liability coverage. This is your first line of defense against the most common risks in construction. Think of it as your safety net for accidents, property damage, and injury claims. The average general liability claim in construction is over $35,000, so this isn't something you want to skimp on. For example, imagine you're working on a renovation project, and one of your workers accidentally damages the client's existing plumbing system. Without proper general liability insurance, that repair cost comes straight from your pocket. But with the right coverage, you're protected. Next up is workers' compensation insurance. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's expensive and complicated. But here's the thing. Not having it can cost you way more. One workplace injury without workers' comp coverage could bankrupt your business overnight. Professional liability insurance, also known as errors and omissions coverage, is your next consideration. This protects you when clients claim your work didn't meet professional standards. In this increasingly litigious construction environment, this coverage has become more important than ever. Here's where we get to the good stuff, saving money. First, bundle your policies. Insurance companies love this, and you can often save 15 to 20% just by combining coverage types. Second, increase your deductible if you have a healthy emergency fund. This alone can lower your premiums by up to 25%. Now let's talk about where most contractors drop the ball. Proper documentation of your safety toolbox talks and job site practices can significantly reduce your insurance premiums. Insurance companies love seeing organized records because it shows them you're serious about risk management. Speaking of documentation, this is where modern technology becomes your best friend, which is why I always recommend Cefalio, the toolbox talk software that's already helped deliver over 3 million safety talks to teams across the country. This platform is amazing for insurance compliance and risk management. Here's why insurance companies love seeing contractors use Cefalio. First, it gives you access to hundreds of professionally created safety talks developed by experienced environmental health and safety experts. But it's not just about content, it's about proof of training. When you use Cefalio, every safety talk is tracked with digital acknowledgement from your employees, creating an ironclad paper trail that insurance companies and OSHA love to see. And the best part is, you can schedule talks days, weeks, or even months in advance for different teams. Your supervisors get the right content at the right time, automatically. For insurance purposes, this is huge. Imagine an insurance auditor asking for proof of safety training from 6 months ago. Instead of digging through paper files, you can pull up detailed records showing exactly who completed which safety talks, when they did it, and how well they understood the material. This level of documentation typically results in significant insurance premium reductions. We're talking about savings that could pay for the software many times over. Insurance companies often offer discounts of up to 15% for contractors who use digital documentation systems. Plus, in case of a claim, having organized digital records can mean the difference between a quick resolution and a lengthy, expensive dispute. Here's your action plan for the next week. First, review your current policies and make a list of your coverage gaps. Second, get quotes from at least 3 different insurance providers. Third, set up a proper documentation system for all your safety protocols and training records with Cefalio. The biggest mistake I see contractors make is choosing their insurance based solely on price. The second biggest mistake is not updating their coverage as their business grows. Remember, the cheapest policy often becomes the most expensive when you need to file a claim. Before I wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Many insurance companies offer discounts for contractors who can prove they have a formal safety program in place. This is where proper documentation becomes crucial again. If you found this guide helpful, join our newsletter below to keep updated with the latest in the construction industry, from new regulations, tech, and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on running a successful and profitable construction business.